upside-down maneuvers and sudden drops in stocks. For your safety, you should be in good health and free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be aggravated by this adventure. Expectant mothers shouldn't ride, and all passengers must meet the minimum height requirement. If you're traveling with kids, be sure to keep an eye on them. And remember that you'll need to stow all bags and loose items. If you're traveling with any large packages that won't fit at your feet, you should leave them with someone who's not riding. Oh yeah, and any passengers in wheelchairs must transfer to a limo train to join in this adventure. Well, I think that about covers it. That's the business, and the fun's just ahead. Rock on.
Wherever you are. You're not doing it? No. Oh, that's parkour.
Safety, pull down on the shoulder restraint until it locks in place. Keep your head against the headrest and remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Be sure to stow your belongings on the floor and watch your kids.
Entonces, por su seguridad, tiren de la barra hasta que se cierre el objetivo. Mantengan la cabeza contra las cabezas y permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la limusina. Asegúrense de colocar sus efectos personales en el piso y de vigilar a sus niños.
This is Bill St. James broadcasting live from the hottest show in town, the Aerosmith concert. Seems like everyone in LA is headed to the show, so if you're stuck out there on the freeway, just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station. We'll see you next tour.
I wanted to hold my arms up, but I was afraid I was gonna hit something.
We're gonna. What are we gonna do? They really don't.